Hi, welcome to the Biotechnology shop here at Bristol Plymouth. My name is Tracy Brett, and I'm going to tell you a little about our shop here at BP and what biotechnology is. So, even though biotechnology, the state of Massachusetts, is #1 in the world, in fact, if you get off of an airplane at Logan Airport, you will hear Charlie Baker's voice say, "Welcome to the capital of biotechnology." So we are lucky that we live in the state that is leading in biotechnology. But what exactly is it? It is using cells and other living materials to make useful products. So basically what that means is making products that make the world a better place. Here pictured is some students that are currently juniors. This was them last year. They were chosen to be Brodies, which basically means they were going to have the opportunity to work at the Broad with MIT and Harvard scientists. They weren't able to go in person, but they did have the opportunity to work with them virtually, which was pretty amazing. So examples of biotechnology in the real world are vaccines, antibiotics, pest-resistant crops such as GMOs, plant and animal breeding and cloning, stem cells, disease research, cures, testing, and diagnosis, bioengineering, for instance, the production of insulin through microorganisms, and 3D printing organs, artificial limbs, and implants. Some possible careers in biotechnology are biomedical engineering with medical equipment and devices, environmental biotechnology, an example is biofuels, medicine and drugs, which you can do the research for them, the development, quality control, because we need to make sure they are what they say they are, and manufacturing. And also agricultural biotechnology such as food and farming. So what happens here in biotechnology to prepare the students for the world out there of biotech? So here in grade 9, I am the grade 9 and 10 teacher. They start with safety, laboratory math, chemistry making solutions, microscopy and microbiology, gel electrophoresis and DNA fingerprinting. Some potential careers that can prepare them for are safety coordinator, research associate, biologist, chemist, geneticist, forensic sciences like in CSI, molecular biologist, pathologist, and cancer research. All very amazing career opportunities. And then in grade 10, they do biomedical engineering concepts. They get a certification in Lean Six Sigma and they work on a project. They do microbiology identification and transformation. They clone E. coli to glow in the dark. They do various protein labs such as Bradford Assay, ELISA, and STS Page. ELISA is one of the labs that is utilized out there in diagnosis quite often, such as in the diagnosis of Lyme's disease. Some potential careers for that would be microbiologist, virologist, immunologist, biomedical scientist, medical laboratory scientist, neurologist, and anywhere in healthcare such as a doctor or nurse. In fact, biotechnology programs at universities are pre-med tracks, so it's a great opportunity if anyone is interested in becoming a doctor. And then in grade 11, Miss Aber is the grade 11 and 12 teacher. She teaches AP statistics and they sit for the AP exam. Technical laboratory writing and journal analysis, advanced microbiology, molecular biology, and proteomics, working with proteins. And they also do some cell culture in the cell culture room. Some potential careers with that would be statistician, science or technical writers, biochemists, an epidemiologist studying diseases, physicians and surgeons, and maybe even owning their own biotech company someday. In grade 12, many students are out on co-op. Our co-op opportunities at this point have been CVS Pharmacy, Clinical Lab Sciences, BioDirect, and Millstone Medical. Those that are in-house perform advanced labs with plants and animals, one including a dissection lab. Some potential careers are agricultural biotechnologist, environmental scientist, marine biologist, zoologist, veterinarian, food scientist, and even botanist. All again, very amazing careers. So here are some pictures and their future goals. We have a student here who's undecided because, let's face it, they're high school students, and although they are rock stars at biotechnology, not all of them know what they want to do immediately with their future. We have one that's interested in becoming a pharmacist, marine biologists, and biomedical engineers. And then we have one that's interested in pharmaceutical engineering, a few that are interested in pre-med, a few more in biomedical engineering, and even one who's interested in becoming a vet. So thank you for coming on a tour of what biotechnology is and a little information about our biotechnology shop here at Bristol Plymouth. And please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.